Hope you're okay. Today, I'll show you how to turn on the OTG connection on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So simply go into settings, and then you want to scroll down and find accessibility and convenience. Then you want to scroll down, all the way down, and you should see OTG connection. So this allows you to connect peripheral devices including earphones and USB drives, stuff like microphone or wireless microphone receivers and the like. So to turn it on, simply toggle it on just like that. And as you can see, for security purposes, it tells you that it automatically turns off if it's not used for 10 minutes. Now you can turn it off manually like that, but if you want it to stay on longer than 10 minutes, this feature is mostly on OnePlus devices. If you want it to stay on for longer than 10 minutes, I've made a separate video to show you how to do that, and I'll link it down below, or it will appear in the cards at the top of this video right now. That's basically how to turn on OTG connection, and now you can be able to connect your peripheral devices such as USB storage devices, wireless microphones, and the like. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments and questions down below. Take care and God bless.